Hey guys, today's video is how to install a doorknob. As you can clearly see, the doorknob needs to be installed. This part is kind of easy. So basically you install this part, you just put it here, and then you have to hold the screw and the screwdriver, and then you do it, and then this way. Okay, so we're gonna get to today's point. How to install a doorknob. Cómo instalar una una chaparra. Okay, as you see, we have these two doorknobs stuck together. So what we're gonna do, my way, is, so you see on this side, there are two screws. You use your finger to the left. Keep on doing it to the left until it comes out. And then do the same thing here. Even though it's kind of hard because it's so. Okay, so you see this doorknob right here. Unscrew it to the left. It's gonna be actually kind of hard because it's very close. You could also use a screwdriver, but I think a screwdriver would work more. Okay, so here's the way I found out. So lift this up, grab the screwdriver, and make it to the left. Okay? Okay, once it's taken off, you already have two parts. Okay? So you're gonna have to take this off, this part off, this little pushy thingy. You take it off, and then you push this, and then okay, after you took off this, you have to push it, and then slide it off. Okay, after you've done that, you're gonna install this first. But I have to take off the tape, unscrew, so I can show you guys how you can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the nails. These two tiny little nails, well, they're not that tiny, are for this part that you close, you push up and down, and the large ones is for the real knob. Okay, so let's move on to the door. Okay, so here we are at the door. You install this right here. Now it has to be on this side, like when you go whoo, kind of like for race cars, and then they do a flipper, like a trick. So after that you do that, you're gonna put the nails right here in these two holes. And the nails that are gonna go with it are these two nails right here. Okay, so you put it right here. You grab it with your thumb and your index finger. Okay, so basically you have your finger right here, the index and the thumb. Then you grab with the other hand the screwdriver, and then you make it in to the right. Keep on going until it feels like very, very tight.